Hi there. In pod one, we move from evidence to findings. Now we're going to take the next step. Your final report needs more than a collection of findings. Those findings need to come together to produce an argument. Your argument is your answer to the research question. It tells the reader what your research has shown and, importantly, why those findings matter. A finding and an argument aren't quite the same thing. You may have several findings. Perhaps you found a recurring representation of authority. Perhaps particular values repeatedly appeared. Perhaps there was an important difference between films from different countries. Those are findings. Your argument brings those findings together and explains what they collectively tell us in response to your research question. So keep returning to your question. If your findings don't help answer it, either those findings aren't central to the project or your research question may need some refinement. This is also where your theoretical framework becomes useful. Theory shouldn't sit in one section of the report and then disappear. Use it to help interpret what you've found. For example, if you're using soft power, what do your findings tell us about the kinds of national images or political values Netflix circulates globally? If you're using platform power, what do the patterns suggest about Netflix's role in selecting and circulating political narratives? If you're using a feminist framework, what do your findings reveal about gender and political power? Theory gives you a language for explaining the significance of the evidence. If you're struggling to identify your argument, try completing these sentences. Start simply by saying, "My research shows that," or "this is evident because," or maybe "what is the most important pattern?" How does your theoretical framework help you understand it? And finally, why does this matter for international relations? You don't need elegant academic prose at this stage. The important thing is to get the intellectual structure of the argument clear. Try to finish week 9 with a provisional argument that you can express in one or two sentences. It may change as you continue analyzing your evidence. That's fine, but you now need something that tells you what your research is beginning to say. So thanks everyone. I'm Diane Coleman and I will see you in class next week. Bye.